If you just recorded a phone call on your iPhone and now you are thinking, where did that recording go? Don't worry at all. I will walk you through it step by step. First of all you have to do, open the Notes app on your iPhone. So go to your home screen and look for Notes. And if you can't find it right away, simply swipe down to the home screen and type Notes in the search bar. After that, inside Notes app, tap the back button at the top left corner. This takes you to the main folders list. Now here you will find call recordings. Inside the call recordings folder, you will see your saved calls. So simply tap on the recording you wanna listen to, then tap play, and after that you can hear the call clearly. And that's it. That's how you can find the call recordings on your iPhone. If you'd like to learn more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.